What's up, people? Okay, we are at the gas station, and we're going to get gas. I'm just waiting on my brother to pay for it or something. Yeah, waiting on him to pay for it. Now we're in my car. If he hurry up, we can. If he hurries up, we can, do it. But anyway, this is all I do today. Hanging out. I gotta go get my truck today. So, anyway. Right there. Look at that motherfucker. He's in shorts. Look at that motherfucker. He's in shorts. Look at him. Look at the fucking. Look at. He's in the marathon right here in Mount Airy, North Carolina. Look, the marathon. See how much gas it put me up as. I put $10 in. Well, I didn't put $10 in. He put $10 in. See how much gas. See, $10 is that much. $10. If you don't believe me, look. See. I'm gonna show you. I can get $10. $10. And a half a tank, almost a half a tank of gas in my car. There's the park over there, and the park's over there. That's where people go, little kids and everything. That used to be wood over there. Where the orange thing and stuff like that, that used to be wood, okay? It used to be wood, but now they redid it. I might go there sometime, I don't know. But look at, he's gonna walk through. You gotta make some money on these. How much is them damn things? God, what? I can go over there and be 10.25 over there. Huh? Where? How much are What's up, people? See, I brought my truck. Truck's over there. Right there. I brought it home. I brought it home. And now we're walking to the house. Brought the son, brought it home. So I have to leave early tomorrow. Let's see here. I think my wife is mad. She can get over it. Cause I've been gone about all day. Take my brother to work and everything else. So now I'm gotta pack up and leave myself tomorrow. But we'll be watching the Super Bowl. But we'll catch you in a minute. Good. Look, we're watching the Super Bowl. Super Bowl on the TV.
Oh, wow.
Super Bowl. How about them Atlanta Falcons for now? Let's see if they win. Because I want the Atlanta Falcons to whoop the New England Patriots butt this year. Yep, this year. I don't, but that's just me. That's my opinion. The big screen TV right there. Let's just see how what the Atlanta Falcons can hold the Patriots. 3-21. That's pretty good. So we'll get back in. Yes, Atlanta Falcons let the Patriots win that ball game. I'm so mad. I'm not a Falcons or Patriots fan, but I wanted the NFC South to win, so I guess they didn't. But I gotta go to sleep on that tonight. So they about had it. The slingeth. Yeah. Got to go sleep saying that the Atlanta Falcons lost in the damn, and the sucky ass Patriots won. So, like, subscribe, comment below, and share. See you next time.